To deploy a hello world application with Kubernetes to Docker desktop. You go to setting and then enable the Kubernetes. Now you will get a Docker desktop cluster. The next is to run this one. Prior to this, I rather delete all the deployment and services just to have to make everything empty again. Now if I try to see all the port, I should see nothing. If I refresh this page, it should not be accessible. Next, you can visit the code here, make a copy paste of it, and then run. This is the hello world Docker images, and yeah, some sample code that I took it from another instruction. So let's go. We will apply the YAML file, so we get it. Give it some second. Now we have it. Now you should see the number of ports available. That's it. I hope it's helpful. Thank you for watching.